Hi guys, I've been asked to do this video as a lot of people have been making requests to find out how to transfer files, photos, videos, apps and such from the internal memory of a Sony mobile phone onto a micro SD card. So I'm just going to quickly show you on an Xperia XA, which is one of the 2017 models, and that is running on Android 7. So first of all, obviously you're in your main splash, so you need to go into your settings. So settings is obviously the first option you need to go through, and then you need to go into your storage and memory. So storage and memory, it looks a little bit different in Android 7 compared to other versions, but is very similar for the older phones as well. It just doesn't have this graphic on the top here, and it looks a little bit different, but it still has your transfer data button, and it actually says that you want to transfer any data to micro SD. And what I love about the latest version of Android is it actually gives you the option to transfer all of your apps and things like that as well. So if there's any apps that can be transferred onto your micro SD card, unfortunately not all of them can be, then it is really good. So it will automatically detect what photos need to be changed over to your memory card and what can and what can't. So with the apps as well, as you can see, I'm okay with my photos, video and music at the moment. It's just my apps I need to transfer over just to clear some space on that internal memory. So all you do is you just click your transfer, and that will just transfer onto your card. And there's nothing much else to say about that because it's pretty simple. So it will just go through, and once it's transferred the amount of data that is required, it will say that transfer is complete, and then you're all set to go. You've got a little bit more memory to use. So thank you for watching, and hopefully this has been helpful to you guys out there. And